Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, this is lecture number 1 of computer science from your third term syllabus. Dear students, now we will revise some of the concepts that we have studied during our second term. In first chapter, we have studied about peripheral devices. The devices that are not part of the CPU but can be connected with the CPU are called peripheral devices. In this chapter, we have also studied the operation of input and output devices. In the second chapter, we have studied about Microsoft Word. We have studied about creating a document in Microsoft Word, how to save the document, and how to edit the document in Microsoft Word. Dear students, now during our third term, we will learn some more advanced topics about future of computing. We will explore the functions performed by robots in this term. Dear students, now we will start chapter number 9, WHIZ Love Robots from page number 76. Please open page number 76 of your book. A robot is a machine designed to do different tasks and is controlled by the computer. Students, every robot is controlled by the computer. A robot has a chip fixed inside it. A computer program is stored on that chip. Usually a computer controls the robot through that chip. A robot can carry out complex actions based on the program that is stored in its chip. Some robots look like human beings and some robots look like animals. In any shape, robots are made to help humans in performing their daily life actions. Some robots can perform simple tasks, simple ordinary tasks, while other robots can perform very complicated actions. In our daily life, robots help us to clean our house, to wash the utensils, whereas in industries, robots are being used for fixing cars, for assembling multiple parts of the cars, for welding purposes, for digging mines. Robotic arms are also helpful in doing multiple tasks, like in stitching units, we have a lot of robotic arms that are replacing human in multiple ways. Dear students, let's do the exercise that is given to you on page number 76. Tick the statement that is true and obviously cross the statement that is false. Number 1, robots need air to breathe. You will put a cross in the box because robots are machines, they do not need air to breathe. Number 2, a robot can be programmed. Yes. You will place a tick in the box. Number 3, robots often behave in the same way as humans. Again, tick. Number 4, robot cannot follow directions. We know robots are solely controlled by computer, so they follow directions. It means this is cross. You will put a cross in the box. Number 5, in factories, robots are used to place packets of biscuits into cartons. This is true. Students, you will complete the exercise that is given on page number 76 accordingly. Dear students, now let's see how robots are helpful in performing our household jobs. Robots can help us in making grocery shoppings. A robot can also clean our house. It can also help in the kitchen in washing utensils. इसके अलावा आपको फूड भी कुक करके दे सकता है रोबोट और आपके फ्रिज में से डिफरेंट आइटम्स को सिलेक्ट भी कर सकता है रोबोट. Robot is very cooperative in household works. Dear students, robots are being widely used in industries. Industries में robotics का use बहुत common है. Robots are being used for packing of materials. They are being used for loading and unloading of containers. They are being used for car assembling. They are being used in hot boilers where it is not safe for human. तो बड़े बड़े बॉयलर्स में उनका प्रेशर वगैरह चेक करने के लिए, उनका टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करने के लिए रोबोट्स यूज़ हो रहे हैं. Dear students, another exercise is given on page number 78. State what is meant by the following. You have to provide meanings of these words. The first word is automation. Automation means computerization. You will write computerization in the space provided to you. Second word is manipulation. Manipulation means handling. You will write handling in the space that has been given to you in the book. Dear students, robots are also being used in hospitals. In hospitals, robots are replacing nurses. Robots are also taking care of patients. They are also very helpful in taking vitals of patients. Moreover, they can also handle cleanliness issues of the hospital. Dear students, nowadays robots are also being used at restaurants. When you visit a restaurant, a robot will offer you the menu. You select an item, you order your food, and robots will serve you your ordered food. And robots are also there to entertain you. Dear students, now we will see how robotic arms are helpful for us. Robotic arms are very helpful in collecting garbage and placing them into container. Robotic arms are also being widely used in stitching units. They are replacing human workers. They are also very helpful in providing you tools to assemble small parts of certain machinery. And robotic arms are also helpful in playing games. Dear students, now let's perform the exercise that is given on page number 79. Find adjectives that fit these meanings. First is something that needs to be done over and over again. Repeatedly. You will write repeatedly in the space that has been provided to you. Second one is likely to cause harm or injury. Suitable adjective here is injurious. You will write injurious in the space that has been provided to you. Third one is poisonous. You will write harmful in the blank that has been provided to you. Dear students, now this is the time for some homework. Read chapter number 9 up to page number 79. After reading chapter 9, you will complete the exercises given on page number 76, 78 and 79. On page number 78, another exercise is also given in which you have to explain a question that if you have a robot, what would you like it to do for you? You will write this question in your own words. You will explore more about robots using internet. Thank you, dear students. Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed.